I have only one point here today. One point. Ratanji, I just want to come in here. Kapil, 1 minute. I see your hand go up. See, my concern is this: that if you are spreading a rumor that bodies have been thrown into the water and the water is contaminated on that basis, as far as I'm concerned, everyone who died is a terrible loss, and the Yogi government has gone out of its way to make the arrangements to make sure that the bodies reach their loved ones and the last rites can be carried out with the utmost of respect. The Chief Minister himself broke down when speaking of the tragedy. And if people ask me why are the numbers not put out, please remember, I want to tell you viewers, please remember that there were 10 crore people taking the Snan on the morning when this unfortunate incident happened. And obviously the focus of the government would be on ensuring that the Snan, when there are 10 crore people, 100 million people taking a Snan on one day, that went off well without any further panic. And if you're asking me why he waited, obviously because the Chief Minister must have been on the job. But I'm asking this question: is there any proof of this allegation, Shantanu Gupta, that bodies were thrown into the river? Yes, please, Shantanu.
Not at all, Arnab. And namaskar to everyone, and namaskar and wishes to everyone for Basant Panchami. From last 2 weeks, I'm in Kumbh Kshetra. Currently also I'm talking to you from Paramarth Niketan camp in the Kumbh Kshetra next to Rail Ghat. I have taken dip multiple times. It's the 21st day today, Arnab, and 34.59, almost 35 crore people have taken dip in Ganga. People of all creed, caste, all regions, south to north, east to west, female, male, old, young, kids, everyone. So this is what's frightening them. What Yogi Adityanath said, कटेंगे तो बटेंगे, एक रहेंगे तो safe रहेंगे, एक रहे तो नेक रहेंगे. That's visible in the Kumbh. Everybody's helping each other. Everybody's together. Whole India is together. In one stall I go, in one pandal I go, there is a Tamil Nadu Ramayana going on. In another Assam stall I go, there is a Bihu style Mahabharata going on. That's what's frightening. You know, Samajwadi Party also has a camp, and all the 200, 300 people just finding some small fault here and there. They're issuing videos to Akhilesh Yadav, is tweeting. On 26 January, when it was a Sunday, when it was a crowd of 26 January also, Akhilesh Yadav came with a fleet of 50 cars. He came as a VIP there. I think, see, 35 crore people have passed through the city, and city is spick and span. And the people who call party planner to organize a birthday party of 15 children at home are giving gyan on how to manage the crowd of 10 crores. They don't know anything about Kumbh. I have been on bike, on foot, on all the 25 sectors of Kumbh in last 21 days. There is Netra Kumbh going on where 5 lakh people will be treated for their eyes. There are hospitals set up by government, there are hospitals set up by Swayamsevi Sansthas. You go to Akhadas, you go to Paramarth, you see Baba Ramdev. It's an amazing place. Anyone who come here cannot say a word against how Yogi Adityanath government has organized this. What unfortunate incident happened because of some set of over-enthusiastic young people? I think it's a matter of inquiry, and Yogi Adityanath government is doing it. But anyone who is commenting on Kumbh, sitting on the boundaries, should stop it. They should come here and experience it. They should come here and experience it.
कुंभ का मतलब बता दीजिए, ज्ञान जो दे रहे हैं, कुंभ का मतलब क्या होता है? आप बर्थडे पार्टी कुंभ का मतलब क्या होता है?
They should come here and experience it.
बता दीजिए, इतना ज्ञान दे रहे हैं आप.
They should come here and experience it. I have written a book on Kumbh. You can go and read it. उसमें कुंभ का मतलब भी है, कुंभ का मतलब भी है, अखाड़ों का मतलब भी है, कुंभ कब होता है, कैसे होता है, सब. I have already written a book. उसमें कुंभ का मतलब क्या होता है, कुंभ कब होता है, कुंभ कहाँ होता है, कुंभ की पौराणिक कथा क्या है, सब लिखा है.
क्या कहेंगे?
आप जैसे अनाड़ियों के लिए लिखिए.
क्या कहेंगे जरा बताइए.
All the anadis like you, all the rattlers like you, all the stupids like you, सबके लिए लिखा. पढ़िए आप.